List of activities, and we've also been able to visit different towns. We started in Accra, we visited Kumasi, we went to Takrady, we've been to Akimoda. We've had celebrations in all our regional offices, and today we are here. Today and tomorrow will be Climate Central Meteorological Awareness in Sunyani. So we thought it wise to pay some courtesy calls to you and some prominent people within the region. And also to let you know what it is that we do, and also make sure that you are involved in our activities.
Regarding your tomorrow's event, so I can see where, at least I want to be part. So that's what I'm itinerary for tomorrow.
So we'll be having a general outreach at GMet around 10 a.m. But before that also we'll be on the radio in the morning on Sopa FM to educate their listeners. We know that Sopa is pretty popular.
Yes.
To reach out to the maximum population, we want to start with the radio engagement, and then after that move into a community like Tunisia to do some awareness and outreach as to what it is that we do, and we'll be very happy if you join us.
Introduce ourselves to you and then the services that we provide, seeking the support. New offices help us create more awareness of the organization. Ghana Meteorological Agency is a state-established institution by right of Parliament. An agency whose mandate is to provide weather and climate services for social and development organizations, and also ensure that international standards are maintained. As part of our work, we provide forecasts. So, from the earth to where your eyes cannot see, the atmosphere impact on our life. Winds, the sun, the rain, humidity, everything that happens in the atmosphere affects us. That's where our work covers. So we provide forecast. What people know as of is the rain, and sometimes it doesn't rain, and then we have water. That's fine. Beyond daily weather forecasts about rains and temperatures, we do a lot of work which have a very significant impact on the various sensitive sectors of this economy. Use assembly, for instance, to show how our work impacts our work that we do and the people who live in this. The first thing I would like to say is the fact that I promise to support you. I've already seen a lecture. I don't want to put it like a lecture. I think it's something. So we'll see how, even aside this program, even going for how we can collaborate with your people. And we do meet some other state institutions and other departments. But almost every day I receive a letter or a request. Let me put it that way. I think that is actually a request demanding us to be. But when I see something like that, the only thing is, it is not for the betterment of the person himself, it's for the institution. The person didn't make that request based on the fact that I want to put up a building, I want to go to school, support me to pay fees. These are matters that are on the actual formal work of the institution. So if there are means, why not to come? So the support will come. And I'm sure, as I said, we should start from the collaboration. Yes. When we do meet, we do engage, and we will get to know what the office is about, what they do, and from there we will appreciate more, sure, and be able to also start to assist your team as we do assist some other departments and agencies. So for that, I promise you, I will leave the chance for us to engage and also see how we can support you.
For your time, for taking time of your busy schedule to see us. So we do appreciate that whatever you said here, you do resonate with it.